All right, tell me, you don't want to go on an airplane?
No, it makes me scared.
Why does it make you scared?
Because I don't want to go up in the sky.
Why not, buddy?
But it makes me scared.
There's windows on the plane.
But I don't want to go up in the sky.
Oh, I thought you would like it.
I didn't like it.
Oh, okay. You just want to drive? You want to drive places?
What?
You want to drive places?
Yes.
What if we have to go on an airplane?
I don't want to.
Do you want to sit with Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, we can watch movies and have snacks.
Hey.
Would that make you feel better?
Yes.
You'll go on an airplane then if we had movies and snacks?
They go super duper faster.
Yes, airplanes go super duper fast. It's kind of fun. You want to try it sometime? No?
No.
You don't want to try and go on an airplane
No.
and go super fast?
No. I want to go super duper faster.
Okay. Well, you don't have to. We're not going on any trips soon. We just went on a big trip, didn't we? Where'd we go?
I want to stay here.
We are staying here, but didn't we just go on a vacation?
I don't want to go. We just did go on vacation.
Yeah, where'd we go?
Disneyland.
Where was that?
I don't know.
In California? Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right.
I don't want to go on a plane.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.